So, good morning. Today we are going to talk about another topic named string. Now, what is a string? A string is a data type that can store a sequence of character. So, if you want to store something in a sequence of a character, you use a string. Like, let's take an example. I want to store hello and word. Right? So, hello and word both are strings. So, I can combine them also. I can do anything, whatever I want. So, it's a sequence of a character. Now, what is the length of a string? There is one function with the help of which we can calculate the total length of the string. Alright, so hello world, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will give you the length of the string, that how many total characters are there. Alright. Then this is a simple string and you can do that. There comes another very important concept in string is indexing. And if you are a beginner in programming, indexing is very new to you, then don't worry, we will learn it. But if you have learned about programming prior, you are very much familiar with this term. Now, same in Python, we have some index. Index means a number is assigned to each and every character, with the help of which we can get that specific character. Alright? And index of Python always starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you write string of 0, right, this 0 is called an index. And it will be like within these parentheses, you have to write 0. So what it will print? It will print the value, that is P. Alright, if you write string 1, it will print Y. And so on, so forth. But string of 0 cannot be B, because string of 0 is always P, if you see. So this is called indexing. Indexing means assigning a number to each character within a string, right? So that we can access that specific character. Now, you have indexing. After indexing, there is another term called slicing. Don't worry, we will do the practical of each and everything, but let's see what is slicing. In Python, slicing is very important. Accessing the part of a string, right? This is not in any other language. Like if you're doing C, C++, you will not find slicing. Means finding and accessing the string, right? So with the help of this, you can give the starting index and ending index. But always remember, if you give the ending index, it will not be included. Like let's see, you have string 1 or 4. So here this is Python, right? So if you type this P as 0, right? If we type P, what is an index of P? The index of P is 0. Index of Y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? This is how it is. So what I am saying? I am saying I want a string starting from 1, right? So it will give you Y. Then 2, then 3, and the last index string will not be printed. This is the rule. So if it's 4, it will print till 3. So the output is YTH. This is called slicing. And it is very useful if you want to find out the middle character within a string, right? And there are some things like if you don't write 0 or 4, it means that it will start from 0 till 4, means till 3, it will print the value. 1 till end. So till end, it will give you the length of the string if you write like this. Okay, so this is called slicing and this is called a simple string. So what is a string and how do we use slicing? Let's see. Let's take a very simple example of slicing. Now slicing can be done in a opposite direction also. Like you can put the negative indexing also in the Python. So you have apple, right? So apple, if you see the negative index -1, it will start from -1. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So here I'm writing string -3 to -1. So what it will print me? -3 to -1, but it will not print the last value. So the output is PL. That is called the negative indexing. That's also there in Python. So let's do practical implementation of string. What is string and how do we do that? So here let me open my IDL. All right. So always remember when you open the IDL, this is your shell. You have to go to the files, new file, then you can do it. Now, I can create as many strings as I want. So let's create string str equals to Python. Right? This is a string I can create. Right? If I want to print, I can print this. Right? So when you run, it will ask you to save. So let's save it, save the position. Let's save it as a string, right? And here it has printed the string. So always remember when you're declaring a string, you can use this double quotes, single quotes also there, but usually we use this double quote to get into the value. Now, if I want to get the index of 0, right? So let's put string index 0. What value it will print? 0. Right? Then 1. Let's print 1. 0 and 1. These are indexing that we have learned about, right? So at 0 it will print P and in the next line it will print Y. Let's see. What is it printing? The indexing value or not? See? Y and P and Y. 0 and 1. Right? Now let's do the slicing. Print string slice. I want to print PYTH. So starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So till 4, right? 0 to 4. Right? So this is called slicing. So what it will print? It will print the character from 0, 1, 2, 3. So the output will be PYTH. Let's see. Let's run. Can you see? PYTH. That's what slicing is all about. Now, let's see the negative slicing. Can I do the negative slicing? Yes. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So, yes. So, let's do -5 and -1. And what output it should print? So, -1, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should print YTHON as per our record. Let's see. Let's run this and let's see. Can you see YTHO? Yeah. So this is very simple. What is a string? What are the different functions? Okay, the one function that we discussed is length of the string. So length, this is very important, str. This function will provide you the length of the string also. Right? So how many character? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should give me 6 as a length after printing all this. Can you see? The length of the string is 6. So the length function is also very important and the slicing is there. Always remember in slicing, if you have written 4, it will not print the fourth index. It will only print till your third index. That's what you need to remember. Right? Same here. When you are starting the negative index, it will print till -4. So -1, -2, -3, -4. Right? Thank you so much. See you in the next video.